Amid clashes with China in Galwan Valley, India is ordering 33 fighter aircraft from Russia, out of which 12 are Sukhoi 30 MKI and 21 are MiG-29. Sukhois will be manufactured in India by HAL under license to manufacture, and MiG-29s will come in flyaway condition. This deal will cost India around $787 million or 5,900 crore rupees approximately. While no one seemed to question purchase of Sukhoi 30s, some people were concerned why India is still buying old MiG-29s and why not purchasing any other modern fighter aircraft. This question can be answered if we see the situation from Air Force's point of view. Logistics. There is a lot of logistics that goes behind it, like training of pilots and maintenance crew, establishing efficient supply chain of spare parts and weaponry, etc. For example, some IF pilots and technicians are already in France from November 2019 and undergoing training for Rafale. It is expected that these aircrafts will be available in last week of July 2020. After the planes are in India, more pilots and technicians will be trained on Rafale before they are cleared to undertake any mission. Definitely, it would take more time to operationalize a fleet of new aircraft than to induct aircraft that are already in service. Fighters in IF inventory. IF operates a variety of fighter aircraft. Currently, there are 544 active fighter aircraft in service, out of which 272 are Sukhoi 30 MKIs and 65 are MiG-29s. As you can see, Sukhoi and MiG-29 combined are 60% of our fighter inventory, and these aircrafts will continue to remain in IF for years to come because India operates most advanced version of these aircrafts, Sukhoi 30 MKI and MiG-29 UPG. So if we buy more of these, there would not be any extra logistical effort required because anyways we would be doing that for our present fleet. Of course, manpower required will be more, but the system and infrastructure required will already be there in place. Fighter planes on order. There are 23 Tejas Mk1, 83 Tejas Mk1A and 36 Dassault Rafale already on order with HAL and Dassault Aviation respectively. This takes total tally of on-order aircraft to 142 numbers, plus new order of 33 Russian fighter aircrafts. Operational capabilities of MiG-29. India operates the most advanced version of MiG-29. These upgraded versions are called MiG-29 UPG or MiG-29 upgrade. It's a multi-role fighter aircraft, that means it can engage air as well as ground targets. Upgraded version is equipped with modern radar, avionics, weapon control system and air-to-air refueling. It is capable of engaging target in visual range as well as beyond visual range. Depending on the type of mission, it can be configured with different combination of rockets, missiles and bombs. You can compare its capabilities with Mirage 2000, F-16 and Fa-18 Hornet. Actually, MiG-29 program was initiated as a Soviet's response to US's F-16 development program. Urgency. There are only 28 fighter squadrons active against sanctioned 42 squadrons for IF. The current behavior of China is enough to push us to ramp up our military capabilities. Imagine a scenario where Prime Minister is taking briefing from Chief of Army, Navy and Air Force on current situation and asking if there is any bottleneck if we have to engage with China and Pakistan at a time. IF needs aeroplanes today, one that they can deploy today. After looking at the above points, we might be able to derive answer to why we are still buying MiG-29s. In current scenario, ordering Sukhoi 30 and MiG-29 is completely logical. Sukhoi 30 and MiG-29 are already used in service, so if required they can be deployed on the day one once we receive them. Modern planes like Tejas Mk1, Tejas Mk1A and Rafale are already in order. So there is no point in ordering same plane before we receive aircraft from first order. If you have a doubt that why not all 33 aircraft ordered are Sukhois, the answer is redundancy. Su-30s are made in India. HAL can deliver only 8 Sukhoi 30s per year. While Sukhois are made here, at the same time MiGs will be manufactured in Russian factory. We will have more aircraft in less time if we have them from two sources. In current scenario, IF is at better position to decide what is best for them. They know their machines and they know how to handle enemy more than we do. Our job is to support our armed forces. By the time we are editing this video, 5 Rafale have already landed in India. awaiting more birds to join fleet soon. Do let us know what do you think about this topic. We would also appreciate if you have any suggestions for us. One more thing, our videos are based on our articles we post on the website theelectronicguidance.com. Usually we first post our article and then make video on that topic. So if you like reading article more than watching videos, you will definitely like our website. Also, you can find us on all social media with handle The Electronic Guidance. Links are in description. It was so great talking to you guys. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.